Hey guys, so we're here in the studio today with Anjali, and she's getting her hair done for the 8th grade dance. How do you feel? You're excited? You're ready to dance? Dance it up? Dance it up? Yeah? Okay, so I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to curl your hair. So if you have kids that are her age, you can do this at home instead of going to the salon, because guys, this is super easy. Just practice. Alright, so let's get started. Okay. So you're going to section the hair, kind of just like that. And we're going to clip the front. We'll do the front at the end. Actually, you know what? We're not even going to, let's make it super easy. Are you going to keep a middle part? Okay. So she's going to keep a middle part. And so we're just going to go ahead and curl. And we're going to curl from each side. We're going to split the hair into two, basically. And just when I curl, I'm going to throw it to the front. Okay, there's nothing in her hair right now, but I'm going to just spray a little hairspray because she has a ton of hair. Okay, spraying it all in the hair. Just like that. And now, I'm going to comb it through. And the hairspray that I'm using is the Tresemme number 6. I love it because it isn't like very sticky, so it's very like nice and it's workable. So even if you do a style and you want to like change it later, you can. Alright, so let's just move you, Anjali, just slightly a little bit this way. Perfect. So you're taking a small section like this, and what you're going to do is you're going to clip the iron. You know I'm not going to burn you. You're going to clip the iron, and you're going to just start turning, and you're going to basically let this go. You're going to give a little bit of give. A little bit of like, you're pressing it slightly, pulling it through, and voila, you have a curl. Okay? And then what you can do, just keep your head straight for me. What you can do is if you're worried, and sometimes I know you guys out there, maybe your hair doesn't hold the curl, you're just going to take like a teasing comb just like this, and you can tease the bottom of the hair, and what that's going to do is it's going to make like a little bit of a knot at the bottom, so it'll be less likely to fall out quicker. Okay? So this is more like a tighter curl, but like later on, we're going to be able to comb our hands through it, or even comb that big brush through it, and make it a lot bigger and a lot looser. And I like to do these curls because they last a little bit longer, especially with, you know, kids. They're dancing, they're sweating, just a lot easier. So let's keep curling.
The sun keeps calling, and I've been chasing early. So give me the coffee in the morning.
So basically what you're doing, you can see more of the front is done, but you're basically taking a small section. Think of like a 1-inch section, like this, okay? You can comb through it with your hands just to smooth out the hair so it's not like messy. And then you're basically clamping it at the top, and you're flipping the hair and you're pulling the iron through the hair, and you're giving yourself a little bit of space there. You see that? To just let the hair flow through. So you're clicking on this little button here, the wand, the release button. That's what I call it, a button, see? And then you're basically letting it out, just like that. Okay? Let's do that again. Can you move it a little bit closer? Just your body. Put your body to the front. There we go. Again, you're taking a small section of hair. Alright? And that's why like people spend so much time sectioning the hair. You don't need to. You're basically taking a section, holding it through. Turn your head that way for me. And you see that section right there? It's nice and smooth. You're taking your wand, you're clamping it, you're flipping the hair over, pulling it through, flipping it over again, pulling it through, flipping it over again, pulling it through, and just keep doing that all the way throughout, and you're going to have a curl. Once you do that, you can hold it for a couple of seconds, and there is your curl. Okay? So you guys can see it, and that's what you continue to do all throughout the hair. see all the curls. Look how pretty it looks. For her hair, because she has so much of it, we're not gonna backcomb. I'm just gonna give her a little bit of hairspray. And you can see, I'm just gonna give her, we're gonna lower that just slightly so you can see, move back a little bit. Okay, there we go. So we're just gonna tousle up the hair, give it some volume. I'm gonna spray it, just like that. And then, hold on a second, go ahead and flip it.